Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to open Play Store and install all of your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Apps section and tap on Default Apps. Now just click on one of those sections that you wish to manage and click on your new downloaded app to apply it. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!